Hey, Michael here, out taking a walk. Now here's where students could learn the logical skill of context, which is very important. It's important to put things in context. No idea or concrete should ever be taken out of context because then you cannot properly understand it. Here's where we can learn biology. If students haven't been out in the woods or in nature, they're not ready for biology. They have to have a real concept of things in their natural environment. So we see some context of how things grow. We see some cherry laurel and some oak growing along this trail here. The students can learn them and see that they're together and then start to learn their interactions, start to learn what animals eat them or avoid them, learn about moisture, temperature in the area, average rainfall, average temperature, learn about the pH of the soil, see how it compares to other places around, start to develop ideas about ecology. Then they can get the progression from natural, original plants and animals to how we farm. They can understand farming better, ranching, and have much better ideas about how to do it. So out here we have some pine tree, some oak, some cherry laurel, some Yupon holly. They need to learn that some of this is good, some of this is bad. That's the real world. Out here, put my walking stick down, we've got some American beautyberry. You can see that, see the purple berries. These you can eat. Sorry for the chewing there, but I'm proving that it's edible and that I eat it. Don't want to say it and not do it. Now I don't eat too many of them. They wouldn't be good, wouldn't agree with some people, but they are edible. And it is good to have variety in your diet. Because of misunderstanding food and where it comes from, a lot of Americans have too limited of a diet. So doing things like this will allow them to have a broader diet, have better health, better cognition. Over here, pick up my stick, we got some Yupon holly. Make your own tea. You can see it, see the leaves. Other side. There's the other side of it. The students can pick this fresh. You can use maybe 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon, mince it up, put it in some hot water, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. If it's dry, maybe use less, a teaspoon or 2, but that'd be a good addition. Add more vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients to your diet, other than the things you find. And then you got the pride of finding it yourself, and you've got the confidence that you can find real food in nature on your own. It's a very important skill. And down here we have more edibles. We've got some pony's foot, if you can see that. Pick one here for you. Get this leaf off my hand. Notice the shape. Get that in the camera. Notice it's round, but got that little indentation in the end there. There, you got it like that. It must be why it's called pony's foot. There's a good picture of it. But this guy is edible. You can get that, add it to a salad, just pick it while you're walking. Then you know what real food is, how it grows in nature. You're more connected to a very important thing in your life, eating and nutrition. And here in the trail I find another edible. Here we got some wood sorrel. Notice that, I hope it's showing in the camera. Pick one of these guys. Show you what it looks like. Notice it's heart-shaped. It's not round on the top, away from the stem. So this is a wood sorrel, not clover. But there from the bottom there, stem. This is also edible. Good source of nutrients. Different phytonutrients for you and chemicals. Got a funny little squirt of juice in the stem. Can be added to salads or just picked while you're out. So keep an eye out and get out and learn some of that on your own. Let's be real about how we're teaching and learning. Let's get out in nature, learn things in a real, conceptual way, and learn things firsthand and logical.